Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and we have a couple more paper collections that came in, and I wanted to show you that. But I left this one off of a little collection that I showed yesterday or in my last video. This is the Wooden Flourish Pack Treasures, and it's like that handmade stamp and die that I showed. It has the scissors and the little spool, and then the dress forms, and the little sewing machine and buttons. Right there, some butterflies and flowers. Those are really cute. You get, I think it is 35 pieces in these packs, and we have quite a few of these in stock. I will put a link directly to these below. And then we did get in the Kaisercraft Miss Betty collection. That is Miss Betty. I know my voice is still hoarse, and I apologize for that. I'm struggling trying to get over all of this sickness that I've had, but I wanted to get some of these videos up for you guys and let you see these collections, because these are brand new, hot off the press. Alright, so there is the first one, and there's the back side. So you get two of each. There's that one. And the back side. It's a very nice feeling paper. There's that one. And then the back side. Isn't that neat? That's pretty. I like that. And this one. That's pretty too. This is a really, really cute collection. I like all the colors that they put together. And there's the back side. And then there's your sticker sheet. So this is very, very cute. Again, this is the Miss Betty collection. And you can also get it in the 6.5 by 6.5. That is the same papers, just in a smaller scale. This has 24 sheets in it. Some of them are spot varnish, as they call it. And then you have all of your die cuts in the back. So see, all of these are die cut pages in the back here. You just punch them out. And let's see if we can find one that's got, there's one that's got a little varnish on it. Spot varnish, as they call it. There you go. Looks almost like it's embossed. So this is the 6.5 by 6.5. We do have the die cuts, the collectible die cuts. And let's see, you get 58, includes 58 or more pieces, it says. So there is that. Those little scissors are really cute. A beautiful collection. Alright, so that, and you know, that would go with that too. That goes really well with that. Okay, so that is that collection. And then we got in another from Kaisercraft, and this one is called Beach Shack. And you know me, I love beach paper. Sorry about the crinkling. I just didn't want to open these up before the video. I was afraid I'd end up bending something. But here is this collection. You get two of each design. Oh, look at that rope. That looks so real. Pretty. And there's the beach. That wood grain pattern. And then here's your shells. I love beach paper. Look at that. There's the sand and the sea coming in. And then there, this one says foam. I guess that's your foam off of the ocean. And then there's the anchors. There's little anchors on there. And then there's your basket weave. It's called Thatched. And there's the back side of that one. And then here is this one. There's the back side. And then your sticker sheet. Lots of great stickers. So let's see, and then you have your 6.5 by 6.5, which is the same designs, just in a smaller scale. And then at the back, just like all of Kaisercraft, you do get a lot of cutouts, die cuts in the back. So that could be your ephemera as well. And then look at this. I want to show you this one. I have to show you this one, so I'm going to cut it open. Look at that paper. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my goodness. I love that. Get a couple of sheets of that. It's just an iridescent color. So pretty. And there's all of your other ones. Some of them have gloss on them, some of them don't. And then your die cuts. And this says 55 or more pieces of die cuts. So that again is the Beach Shack paper collection. We have, these are flying off the shelf, but we do have a few of sets of these left. So go over and grab yours before they're all gone. I'll put the direct link to this collection down below. We will talk to you guys later. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this collection. Hit that subscribe button, and when that little bell pops up, click on that little bell so that you'll be notified when we put up a new video. We will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.